In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and configure the Notion widget on your iPhone home screen. By the end, you'll have quick, one-tap access to your most important Notion page right from your home screen. We'll start by entering what's often called edit or jiggle mode. On your iPhone's home screen, press and hold any empty area until the apps begin to wiggle. When you're in that mode, either tap Edit in the top left corner if you see it, or tap the plus button to open the widget gallery. In the search bar at the top, type Notion, or scroll through the list of apps until you find it. Tap Notion to see the available widgets. You'll typically see options like a single page, favorites, or recents. A single page is perfect for jumping straight into one page, while favorites and recents can surface items you use often. Choose the one that matches how you work, then tap Add Widget. You'll see it land on your home screen. When it looks good, tap Done to exit edit mode so the layout is saved. Next, let's link the widget to the exact place you want. Press and hold the Notion widget you just added until the Options menu appears, then tap Edit Widget. You'll see controls that let you choose the workspace and the page, depending on the widget type you selected. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're pointing to the right one. Then select the specific page you want the widget to open. This could be a dashboard, a task list, or any page you access frequently. When you've made your choice, simply tap outside the widget to close the editor and save your selection. From now on, tapping that widget will take you straight to the page you chose, saving you a few extra taps every time. If you picked favorites or recents, the content may update as your activity changes, which can be handy if your focus shifts day to day. A couple of quick notes to keep everything smooth. The Notion widget will appear in the gallery when the app is installed and set up on your phone. If you don't see it right away, it usually means the app needs to be opened or updated. Also, if your page isn't opening as expected, double-check you're signed in to the correct workspace inside the Notion app. That's it. You've added the Notion widget and configured it to link exactly where you need. Enjoy faster access to your notes, tasks, and dashboards right from your iPhone home screen.